And we're getting the feeders ready to move the cows off the pasture, give pasture a rest. And so we're almost ready to move them. Got all our feed ready. This has been my favorite way of feeding the cattle. I've tried a few different methods. Basic round bale feeders. Round bale feeders that hold the hay off the ground. And these feed through panels. The feed through panels have been my favorite because there's the least amount of wasted hay. We're allowed to push the hay up to the fence. They stick their heads through. They eat it till it's gone, and we put more hay in front of them. That also eliminates the need to take the equipment in and out of the pasture with them, which is a pain in the ass. So we get to operate the equipment outside of the fences, bring the hay in and out easily. The cows are all separated by these slanted bars, so they each get a space to stick their head through, and they all get a chance to eat. I do have a problem with my bigger cows and my horned cattle pushing off the smaller and not horned cattle, and so the smaller girls don't get to eat when there's not enough spaces. We should have 40 spaces for them to eat, and I believe we're at 36 head right now, so everybody's got a spot. These round bale feeders we have in the field are my second favorite. They have a cradle built into the center that holds the hay off the ground. It keeps it from soaking that up into it. So the feed is cleaner and there's much less waste. I'd say maybe 10% of the bale gets wasted when we're feeding it that way, as opposed to the regular round bale feeders where the hay just sits on the ground. We were wasting anywhere from 30 to 40% of the bales. These guys are ready to move.